The history of Patogo may be divided roughly into three periods. The first may be the organization period. Second is the early Spanish period under the Capitans. And third, the American and present period. The first period was the organization of settlements because Patogo was established in several other places before it was founded in its present location. Ferdinand Magellan discovered the Philippines in 1521. But the history of Patogo commenced in 1754. The Governor-General was Pedro de Aranda in 1755, and it was a period of Moro troubles because Ali Muddin, the Sultan, and Bantlan, his brother, were quarreling for the throne. In Jolo. In 1754, Juan Mauricio founded the town up in the Mayaboc River, now known as Panagbayanan. It was the period when the Bantlan pirates could reach as far as Mindoro, and from there, the Moras came along these coastal towns of Talalay and Tayabas. Mayaboc, therefore, was first raided by the Moras under Juan Mauricio. The next ruler was Alejo Bautista in 1757. Again, the Moras, remembering the place, visited Mayaboc and set it on fire. In the hurry of the people, the biggest church bell was placed in the banca. But the banca capsized at Austin and expert divers tried to recover the historical bell in vain. In 1760, Burnaby Raphael established the town at Calinan. The small town was already well built when Moras destroyed it. The image of St. Paul the patron saint was lost. It was later found in a nearby barrio. The people stayed for a short time in the said barrio, naming it Adia, meaning safety. Under the governorship of Rojo in the years 1759 to 1761, the British came and captured Manila in 1762. It was during this period that the founding of Patogo took place. The founder was Buenaventura Salvador. It was in 1766 when Salvador selected a well-located hill, the Molly Hill, and there were a few fishing huts at the place. The hill was selected because from a native watchtower Castilla, the approach of Moro Ventus could at once be detected from afar. There was a very big Patogo tree at the promontory. The founding of Patogo became very sure when a strong ruler in the person of Geronimo Santiago took care of the population. He was known by the name Maniago, and Moras feared him. The patron saint became famous too. The belief was that St. Paul was miraculously protecting the new town. Maniago ruled the town for almost 10 years, from 1771 to 1780, which was a period of Moro piracy. For the years 1778 to 1793, Mamburao, Mindoro, was made the home of these Moro sea robbers. However, a period of progress came when the Governor-General was Jose Bosco y Vargas. 1778, he was appointed alcalde mayor. Juan Encarnacion became the ruler in 1781. This time the image of St. Paul was found under the Patogo tree on Molly Hill. This was taken to mean that St. Paul liked the place to be the permanent location of the population. In one occasion, when the Moras were about to enter the town, the place was covered by darkness, and so the Moras went away. In 1814, another Mauricio became the ruler. Through the carelessness of the inhabitants, the town was burned for the first time. Geronimo de Los Angeles was a good ruler of Patogo. The stone church was built where St. Paul was once found on Molly Hill in 1817.
Nagtatala ba sila?
Ibagyo ba ngayon? Low tide. Ha? Ibas. Ibas?
Anong puno to?
Ah,
Nakalutang na. Buhay pa din eh, no? Lutang na eh. Ayan oh. Pinatumba ng bagyo. Ito, Shell. Shell. Patingin. Anong shell yan?
Pag napakan mo to, alagnatin ka.
Ito, shell ng... Mamahalin to eh. Yan, nakita nyo pa? Yan. Let's go. Okay. Hi. Hi, Blackie. How are you, Blackie? How are you, Blackie? How's your life here, Blackie? Ha? Ikaw magtanong. How's your life, Blackie? Okay naman.
Ayan, tubig ay abot diya.
Doon, paiba.
Ay, na ano yun?
Pagkat ang buhangin.
Yung daan.
Namin eh.
Yung taga
Mag-vlog kasi yan tayo eh.
Hindi ah. Matulungan.
Ang sarap. Refreshing siya, tay. Sa malayong biyahe. Sarap naman ito. Buti naman.
Walang laman ito, baga ganon. Sabaw ang marami.
Ngayon ba't kayo tataga? Hindi dyan.
Ay, walang yung mayari.
Nauna na ako sa inyo. Sana tayo magtutus eh. Kaso nga lang.
Ito ang masarap ang sabaw. Kasi
Makapal na yung ano, oo.
laman.
Ayan. Ano yan? Nauna na to.
Matigas na ang laman.
Laman, ganon.
Wala din, oh.
Wala pa.
Sayang
Ano
lang yan.
Sayang yung juice, tay.
Sabaw.
Mm-mm.
Hindi, ito ang kwan. Yung maliit naman ito.
Nabos mo na, di ka na nagtira.
Yung malaki ang ano. Yun, oh.
Mainit ba? Mainit? Mainit na sabaw? Oh, yun.